Hi, this is Colin with Maker Farm. This video is for the Y motor assembly of the i3v Prusa, which uses the aluminum extrusion. Before you start this, make sure you have the i3v build guide. Find the page that says it is for the Y motor assembly. Go ahead and gather everything that you need for it there. Basically, the Y motor assembly is these three pieces here. It's really easy to assemble. Basically all you do is you grab the back piece, which just like all the other pieces has the R with the arrow for the right hand side. For me that's over here. And gather these two pieces. This one is what our motor is going to mount to, and this piece is going to be a bracket to stiffen it. Basically just slide the bracket in there. It cannot go the other way. It just won't let you. It's too big. Won't match up. So it'll only fit one way, and then it will slide in right here like that. Then you'll use some 16mm long M3 bolts and the regular M3 nuts to tighten it all together. And to do that, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe, total. Okay, so we've got that on there. Looks like that. Remember all the pieces with the R, that goes to that's your front piece, and then this goes to the right. So when it's sitting down so that you have your printer set up in the front here, you'll see that that's in the back. The good thing to do right now is to grab one of your motors and to grab one of your gears and grab 2 of those little set screws. We're going to install the motor right now. It'll make the process easier later on. Basically, there'll be 2 spots for set screws in this motor. Just get them started in both those slots. And then what we're going to do, I like to install this gear this way. That way I can always adjust, loosen this and adjust. You may at some point have to flip it around the other way. I'm sure we'll put in the build guide which way you're supposed to put that on there for future. Either way works. I'm just going to do it like this, hold it on there. I'm going to gently snug one of those down. I'm not tightening this all the way because we don't have this set yet. Just getting that gear on there. Once we get that on there, I'm going to put it in here. I want my wires coming out this way. Don't want the wires coming out this way because it could pinch them underneath. Don't want it going up above because they can get in the way. I guess you could have them going in the back if you want them to. I usually just have them going up front. Okay, then all we have to do is get some of our M3 10mm long bolts. We'll need 4 of those. We're just going to use those to bolt our motor to this wood piece. They don't have to be tight because we haven't set exactly where we want our motor to be yet. Once we get our belts installed, later on we'll do that. So right now I've got it loose to where I can still adjust where that motor sits for our belt tension, and that's coming out front. That's all we have to do for our Y motor assembly. If you have any questions, make sure to refer to the build guide. Also, you can get a hold of us using the contact information in the build guide if you have any other questions. Thank you.